Welcome to the third video of the series Africa's Big Five. In the heart of Africa, where the golden grasslands stretch as far as the eye can see, lives one of the most majestic and endangered creatures on our planet, the African rhinoceros. This is their story. For millions of years, these gentle giants have roamed the savanna, shaping the landscape and captivating our imaginations. But today, they face a grave threat, the merciless onslaught of poaching. Driven by the demand for their horns in illegal wildlife trade, poachers relentlessly hunt these magnificent creatures, pushing them to the brink of extinction. There are two species of African rhinoceros, the black rhinoceros, Rhinos bicornis, and the white rhinoceros, Ceratotherium cymum. Despite their names, both species are actually gray in color. Black rhino would look like this, and historically, African black rhinos were found across sub-Saharan Africa, but due to poaching and habitat loss, their range has significantly decreased. They are now mainly found in scattered populations in southern and eastern Africa, including countries like Namibia, South Africa, Kenya, and Tanzania. Physically, black rhinos are smaller than white rhinos and have a pointed, prehensile upper lip adapted for browsing on leaves and twigs. They have two horns, with the front horn typically longer than the rear horn. Their skin is dark gray to black in color, which helps them regulate body temperature in their hot, sunny habitats. The white rhinoceros, Ceratotherium cymum, is one of the two species of African rhinoceros, known for its large size and square-shaped mouth adapted for grazing on grass. White rhinos are primarily found in southern Africa, including countries like South Africa, Namibia, Zimbabwe, and Kenya. They inhabit grasslands, savannas, and open woodlands, preferring areas with access to water sources. White rhinos are the larger of the two African rhino species, with males weighing up to 2,300 kilograms, 5,000 pounds, and females weighing slightly less. They have a broad, square-shaped mouth suited for grazing on grass, and their skin color varies from gray to brown. Despite their name, the term white likely derives from a mistranslation of the Dutch word wid, meaning wide, referring to their wide mouths. White rhinos are grazers, feeding primarily on grass, while black rhinos are browsers, feeding on leaves, shoots, and branches of bushes and trees. Rhinos have a specialized digestive system adapted to processing tough plant material. Female rhinos give birth to a single calf after a gestation period of around 15 to 16 months. Calves are usually weaned at around 2 years of age, but may stay with their mothers for a longer period. Both species of African rhinos are listed as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, due to poaching for their horns, habitat loss, and other threats. Conservation efforts, including anti-poaching measures, habitat protection, and community involvement, are critical for their survival. Conservation organizations and governments are implementing various strategies to protect African rhinos, including establishing protected areas and reserves, translocating rhinos to safer habitats, monitoring populations, community engagement and education, anti-poaching patrols, and efforts to reduce demand for rhino horn in consumer markets. Rhinos play a crucial role in their ecosystems as grazers and browsers, helping to shape vegetation structure and distribution. Their presence can have cascading effects on plant and animal communities, making them a keystone species in many African landscapes. As the sun sets on another day in Africa, let us pledge to be the guardians of the savanna, to stand united in defense of these magnificent creatures. For in their survival lies the future of our planet.